Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Startline in the long wheelbase. This van features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. This is also accompanied by a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This van comes finished in the solid paint colour bright orange. This van sits on 16-inch steel wheels which come in the 20-hole design. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window as well as a wash pipe system. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, helping you navigate with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply lined as well as having a factory bulkhead delete. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding door. There is a step allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. With the bulkhead delete as well as the front swivelling seats, this van would make the ideal camper build. Up front there are two singular seats with 2 armrests apiece, and in forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including DAB, FM and AM radio stations. Just below the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.